Benedict, kailan nangyari ang insidente na yan at nasaan na itong pumanaw na mangingisda?
Itong paghingi ng saklolo ng mga mangingisdang Pilipino sa ating mga tauhan ng Philippine Coast Guard. At kaninang umaga naman ay nadala na nga yung labi ng namatay na mangingisda sa may Sambales. Bandang alas 7 ng umaga kanina nang makabalik sa port ng Subic, Sambales ang BRP Cabra, lula ng isang mangingisda na namatay ay layong 70 nautical miles ng karagatan sakop ng Silangin, Sambales.
Ito'y matapos ang isinagawang medical assistance ng mga tauhan ng Philippine Coast Guard matapos nga makatanggap ng distress call mula sa mga mangingisdang Pilipino. Pero ang masaklap para sa PCG, imbis na tumulong ang Chinese Coast Guard vessel 3304 sa naturang distress call, ay wala itong tugon at nagsagawa pa ng shadowing activity na nakaapekto sa gawaing pagsagip ng PCG.
And what is surprising is that they never really attempted to express help or assistance. Ang ginawa pa nga nila, they still shadowed the Filipino fishing boat and Coast Guard vessel, which made it very hard for the Filipino fishing boat to maneuver to get near to our Coast Guard vessel, BRP Cabra.
Ayon kay PCG spokesperson for the West Philippine Sea, Commodore J. Tariela, kasabay ng pag-alis ng BRP Cabra ay sinamantala din umano ng Chinese Coast Guard na makalapit sa Sambales.
Kagabi, when BRP Cabra decided to carry out medical assistance sa Filipino fishermen, this China Coast Guard vessel took advantage of that opportunity na walang lumayo ang BRP Cabra. And then eventually, this is the objective of BRP Teresa Magbanwa to ensure na i-push back siya ulit palayo.
As of 12 midnight kanina ay nasa 72.27 nautical miles na itong CCG vessel 3304. Pero habang itinataboy ay nagkaroon din ng radio challenge mula sa BRP Teresa Magbanwa at Chinese Coast Guard.
China Coast Guard Vessel 3304. This is Philippine Coast Guard Vessel BRP Teresa Magbanwa MRRV 9701. In accordance with Republic Act 12064, the Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the United Nations Convention of the Law of the Sea, of which you are a signatory state, and the 2016 Arbitral Award, we are conducting maritime security operation. You are advised that you are currently sailing within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone, approximately 82 nautical miles west of Capones Point, Zambales, Philippines. You do not possess any legal authority to patrol within the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. You are directed to depart immediately and notify us of your intentions. Your illegal activity will be reported to higher authorities. Over.
701. This is China Coast Guard vessel 2304. Patrolling in a sea area under the jurisdiction of the People's Republic of China. Please do not compromise with my sailing safety. Over.
But in reality, the reason why they don't want our Coast Guard vessel to get close sa kanilang distance is because it prevents them to move near our coast. And we are actually pushing them away from our coastline.
Monica, para nga sa Philippine Coast Guard ay matagumpay yung ginagawang hakbangan ng bansa ng Pilipinas sa pagtaboy at pagde-deploy ng mga barko ng Pilipinas dito nga sa West Philippine Sea para itaboy itong mga Chinese Coast Guard vessel. At yan mo ang ating update mula rito sa Quezon City. Balik sa inyo dyan, Monica.
Maraming salamat, Benedict Samson.